everybody, welcome back to our Daily Health channel. So today we are going to share with you our past Georgia, tour expenses and other things. So before I'll proceed for this particular process, so I'm going to share with you our laptop screen, so it will be easy and helpful for you. So here it is. So we are going to share with you about little bit of Georgia, the country having beautiful natural landscapes, strong connection with history and warm local hospitality, a land of endless wonders untouched by modern tourism. One you experienced, it will stay with you forever. Exploring Georgia is a constant pleasure. With the towering Caucasus mountain range, the border between Europe and Asia, it is bounded on the north by Russia, on the south by Turkey and Armenia, on the east by Azerbaijan, and the west by Black Sea, with a total area of 69,700 square kilometer. As you can see in our screen, here is the map. This is Georgia. Here it is Russia. Here it is Azerbaijan. Here it is Armenia. Here it is Turkey. And here is Black Sea. So I'm going to scroll down for your reference. They used to speak Georgian language, of course, that is their official language, plus Russian and Armenian speakers you could easily find. Tbilisi is the capital city. Currency they called Georgian lari or gel. The tradition of East and West met in Georgia and formed a culture unlike any other in the world. People can travel by many routes, including the famous Silk Road. Georgia has one of the world's richest and oldest history and cultures. Fun facts about Georgia: Georgian called their country as Sakartvelo, the first European found in Georgia only, the country called Wine Paradise. It is one of the most ecologically diverse places in the world. It has 12 different climate zones. It has three UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Uskuli, known as the highest village in the Georgia as well as in the Europe. Top tourist attraction inside city. I mean, inside city means of course Tbilisi. So Narikala Fortress, Holy Trinity Cathedral Church, the Bridge of Peace, Salfa Bath, Vetitskovili Church, Javeri Monastery, Tatsminda Park, Funicular Ride, Mother of Georgia Monument, National Museum, Rustaveli Avenue, and top tourist attraction outside city is Uzguli, Batumi, Kazbegi, Kakheti, Signagi, Kutaisi, Bakuriani, Borjumi, Ananori, Gudauri, Aplitski. So here, viewers, I'm going to describe you our itinerary, what we have already spent. Dear viewers, our post Georgia 2020 tour details are stated below. Please watch until the end. So we have already taken the flight from Sharjah, Tbilisi, Sharjah, 4 nights, 5 days tour package. Bought it from Holiday Factory. So flight details, as you can see here, we have departed from Sharjah airport around 7:20 a.m. and we arrived at 10:40 a.m. in Georgia. So here the time constants here in UAE and in Georgia almost same. There is no difference. So as you can see, all details are here. Hotel details, it's Lighthouse Old City. It's a 3-star hotel, cozy hotel but friendly staff. And it's very easy proximity from Trinity Cathedral Church, just like walking distance, like 3 to 4 minutes. So it was a standard double bedroom with a daily breakfast. Our package includes direct flight from Sharjah with Air Arabia, hotel stay with daily breakfast, return airport, hotel transfer, all included. Holiday Factory representative was there to pick it up and at the airport and drop off as well. So Holiday Factory representative is there. And then Schengen standard travel insurance also they have provided. So apart from that particular travel insurance, it was a basic only. So we have already purchased a separate, insurance package, which was cost around 99 dirham. So put together, if you are going to say the total amount we have paid for Holiday Factory is 2,725 for two-person, including 5% VAT. Plus, we have purchased a special travel insurance that is for 99 dirham for two-person. Apart from that, our personal tour cost for two-person, which is described here, and that time one Georgian lari is equal to 1.28 dirham. So day one we went Kakheti, Bodbe Monastery, Signagi City. So here is the cost for metro. Here is the cost for tour. Here is our food cost we have spent for our food and related other cost like something to buy or souvenirs like that. So day two we covered Reich Park, Narikala Fortress, Flea Market, Funicular Ride, Tasminda Park. That all we have done by ourselves. Then day third, we went to Masketa, Javeri Monastery, Europe Square. This also we have done by ourselves at the second stage. But we have went through a private car that is Masketa City, Javeri Monastery. And fourth day we have gone to Rustaveli Avenue, Methiki Church, Kinkhali House for dinner. So all the details, expenses are here. So put together, if you are going to calculate, so it has cost us around 803 dirham separately. So if we are going to pinpoint about total cost for the tour for our two-person, it cost Holiday Factory 2725, special insurance 99 dirham, and then our total tour cost 803. So all total 3627 for two-person. Individually, it's 1814 dirham. And for your reference viewers, if you want to go for a private tour, then you should go to local tours. It will be little cheaper. And here is the details. Number one, Starline Travels. We already booked from them. There is another Funny Travels, Uzba Travels. So this is the total cost, as you can see, 3627 for two-person. That was our total cost for Georgia whole packages.